Jo here, continuing our countdown to the full reveal of all the new products from the Time for Tea January release. All of the products that you see in today's video will be available in the store from 9 AM on the 21st of January, that's British summertime. Our Cafe Critters stamp and die set will give you the perfect reason to catch up with friends. Your cafe pals can enjoy a coffee or a croissant sitting outside their favourite cafe, or you can sit them at the stylish bistro table, which is the perfect place for them to gossip over brunch. The Love Intertwined die will make the perfect focal point on all of your cards. This delicate frame can be paper pieced with coloured cardstock or ink blended to create the most stunning sentiment. Team with your Time for Tea characters for the perfect way to say how you feel about someone. The simple slimline nesting dies are a must-have set for any crafter. If you love slimline card shapes like we do, then this set is for you. Layer up your cardstock and patterned paper with ease. You can use the smaller dies for sentiment banners and create fabulous frames for your Time for Tea characters. This is a definite staple for anyone's crafty stash. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'll see you again tomorrow for some more exciting countdown reveals.